Funny dance. I didn't use any mods for this. I just used Pocket Inv Editor for this. And also that Pocket Inv Editor has to fix this problem because this is what I look like. Because if I'm wearing armor on, if I'm wearing armor on creative mode, this is what I look like if I wear armor on creative mode. By the way, there's a lot of skeletons here because that's the next video I'm gonna make. Mob battle. Bye. Okay, bye.